So, if you have a Nemo File Manager on your Linux system and you want to keep your computer on for several days, let's see how to stop Nemo using up all the resources after just a couple of days. So I have a Linux Mint system running 24/7. This old computer has a DIY passive cooling system. I have a video on that in the description. During that project I noticed that after just 2 days uptime, my RAM and CPU starts to go crazy without any reason, which makes the temperature of the CPU rise and continue rising, which is super bad if you have passive cooling. I found out that a process called nemo-desktop starts to consume a huge amount of resources after just a couple of days of uptime. Apparently this is a known problem and there is no permanent fix. But here is how you can get around that. Open a terminal window, type in this command, sudo pkill Nemo. Type your password and press enter. And like that, Nemo will restart itself and free up a huge chunk of resources. Also, cooling down your processor and lowering overall power consumption. So let's make this happen on a schedule. Again, open a terminal window, type in this command, Crontab -E. That's for edit, and press enter. You may be asked to choose a text editor. I use the Nano in this demonstration. So choose Nano and press enter. Then you should see something like this. Now scroll down and at the bottom pass in this line. Don't worry, I will put all of these codes in the description for you to use. Then press Ctrl X, type letter Y and press enter. Now you should see this message, which tells that the new Crontab file is created and loaded. You can check that by rebooting your computer and opening Crontab again. With this little fix you will restart Nemo every day at 4 AM at night and keep your Linux system running smoothly around the clock. If you wish, you can edit the schedule with a very simple tool. Also, you can schedule to run any command you wish with Crontab. For example, you can reboot your computer on a schedule. Just use the Crontab generator to compile a string of code and copy-paste that in your Crontab file. Ask me in the comments if you have any questions. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.